Welcome to the exciting world of Jamaican real estate. Owning a piece of paradise in Jamaica is a dream for many. Imagine waking up to the sound of the Caribbean Sea or enjoying breathtaking sunsets over lush mountains. This guide will help you navigate the process of buying property in Jamaica. We will break down the steps in a clear and simple way. Whether you are a seasoned investor or a first-time buyer, this guide will provide valuable insights. Let's embark on this journey together. Many people dream of owning a property in the Caribbean. Jamaica, with its vibrant culture and stunning landscapes, is a popular choice. Buying property in a new country can seem daunting. However, with the right information, the process can be smooth and straightforward. This guide will provide you with a step-by-step roadmap to purchasing your dream property in Jamaica. This guide aims to simplify the process for you. We'll cover everything from the initial steps to the final closing. We'll also highlight the roles of various professionals involved in the process. Remember, this guide is for informational purposes only. It's essential to consult with legal and financial professionals for personalized advice. Your journey begins with identifying the property you wish to purchase. Once you have found a property, it's crucial to verify its legal status. This involves visiting the titles office in Jamaica. The titles office is the central repository for all land ownership records in Jamaica. You can request a copy of the title for the property. The title document contains crucial information about the property. The title will show the registered owner of the property. It will also detail the property's size and boundaries. It's essential to ensure that the information on the title matches the property you intend to buy. The titles office can provide you with a certified copy of the title. This is an important document that you will need throughout the buying process. You should also obtain a surveyor's report for the property. A surveyor will physically inspect the property and its boundaries. They will then prepare a report confirming the property's size and any encroachments or easements. This report is crucial to ensure that you are buying what you believe you are buying. Before proceeding with the purchase, it is vital to conduct thorough legal due diligence. This involves checking for any encumbrances on the property. Encumbrances are legal claims or restrictions that may limit your ownership rights. Common types of encumbrances include mortgages, liens, or court orders. A mortgage is a loan secured by the property. If the current owner has an outstanding mortgage, you will need to ensure it is paid off before you become the registered owner. A lien is a legal claim against the property for an unpaid debt. This could be from unpaid property taxes or contractor bills. Court orders can also affect the property. For example, a court may have issued an order preventing the sale of the property due to an ongoing legal dispute. Checking for encumbrances is a crucial step in protecting your investment. It's highly recommended to engage a qualified attorney to conduct this due diligence. Your attorney will review the title and other relevant documents. They will advise you of any potential risks or issues. Once you are satisfied with the legal due diligence, the next step is drafting the agreement for sale. This legally binding document outlines the terms and conditions of the sale. It is highly recommended to engage an attorney to prepare this agreement. The agreement for sale should include details such as the purchase price, payment schedule, and closing date. Your attorney will work closely with the vendor's attorney to finalize the agreement. They will ensure that your interests are protected throughout the process. The agreement for sale will also specify the deposit amount. This is typically 10% of the purchase price. The deposit is paid to the vendor's attorney as security for the purchase. The agreement for sale is a crucial document in the property buying process. It's essential to read and understand all the terms before signing. Do not hesitate to ask your attorney for clarification on any aspect of the agreement.